NEUP, stock analysis, price predictions, news. In this quick and short 1-minute video, I'll show you exactly how I would trade and analyze. I'm the only guy in this space that's done 47,000 videos over 5 years, documented them all. Truly speaking, this just kind of came up, filled in the gap. I don't know, like, look at this, bro. Like, look at the chart. You know, out of nowhere it was pumping, and I was like never that kind of bullish on NEUP. Even to begin with here, I was bearish, and I would basically tell you that I would just stay away. You know, when a market is up like this, just ups and downs, there's just far better setups that are far safer. You know, yes, high risk, high reward, but we want a consistency and sustainability here. You know what I mean? And so, in this case, only if I see this double break, only then I would look to take things down. If not, it's all good. So that's NEUP. And if you want to stay tuned when I get free sauce, click the first link below. It's free. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.